Hey creators, designers, and brand builders. Today on BlackSattai AI, we're breaking down one of the most popular and practical tools in the creator world, Canva AI. If you've ever struggled with thumbnails, Instagram posts, or banners, this might be the upgrade your workflow needs. Let's break it down. First, what is Canva AI? Canva AI is not a separate tool, it's a set of AI-powered features inside Canva to help you design faster and smarter. From writing your post caption to building the perfect layout, Canva now uses AI to take care of the heavy lifting. It's like Photoshop plus ChatGPT plus stock site in one simple drag and drop interface. B. How to use Canva AI. Go to canva.com free or pro account. Use Magic Design, upload an image or prompt, and Canva gives you ready-made template. History Magic. Write your own AI writer inside Dexus AI background remover, one click. Clean result. Need visuals? Try text-to-image air size and repurpose for any platform with Magic Resize. This means thumbnails for tutorials, cover for carousels for Pinterest story templates, all in menu task. Who should use Canva AI? YouTubers making thumbnails, intros, channel art, Instagram and Pinterest creators designing scroll-stopping visuals, small business owners making promo material, teachers, coaches designing worksheets or social tips, solopreneurs who want branding without hiring a designer. D. Let us dive into pros of this Canvas AI-powered template. Save hours. Magic Write helps with copy, captions, titles, text-to-image. AI generates unique graphics. Magic Resize equals one-click repurpose. Beginner-friendly plus pro features are worth it. Now, focus on cons as well. Magic features limited on free plan. Some AI images may feel generic. Background remover plus resize equals pro only, not ideal for advanced graphic control like Adobe Sutef. Another $10 million question: how about data privacy? Canva uses your prompts and uploads to enhance design suggestions, but doesn't use them for AI model training as of now. Always double check when uploading sensitive brand assets. G. Here BlackSattai Verdict. Canva AI is not a gimmick. It's a full-blown design assistant. If you're a solo creator trying to stay consistent with content, this tool can save hours, remove design stress, and make your brand look pro. For thumbnails, reels, carousels, or even YouTube intros, this is the design hack that works. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.